Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 10th to 14th April 2023. Now gold on a weekly time frame, after making a break and close above this major key level with this bullish engulfing candle, it started to make some small pullback by facing support at that major key level over here for a couple of weeks. And then in this week, gold gained some bullish momentum and closed this week with this bullish engulfing candle, making a breakout of the previous high over here and also making a retest on this next major key level. Now this is an indication of gold continuing this bullish run over here, and this was its small pullback. Now gold, if on the upcoming week continues with this bullish engulfing move, then gold might come all the way up to make a retest on this next possible key level, retesting these major highs or create new higher high while moving in respect to a newly formed strong uptrend line, which might look something like this. However, if gold faces resistance from here and makes a break and close below some small time frame support zone that we have over here, which you can see better on a shorter time frame, then gold might again all the way make a retest on this key level or come all the way down to make a retest on these key levels, making a retest on this higher time frame uptrend line once again. Now if you go to shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our trend lines and also we can see our higher time frame support and resistance level. Now in between these two higher time frame support and resistance zone, we also have these two key zone as well, which you can use to look for further trades in between these two support and resistance zone. Now for gold to continue pushing up on a higher time frame point of view, gold needs to make a breakout of this resistance level that we just talked about on the weekday time frame. Similarly, for gold to continue pushing down, it needs to make a breakout of this higher time frame support level with further bearish momentum. So for us to look for trades on the long side on gold, we need gold to make a break and close above this resistance level with further bullish momentum, at least on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame, and form some sort of structure and make a breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum to add more confirmations on our trade. Similarly, for us to look for trades on the short side, we need gold to make a break and close below this support level, at least on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame the same way. But we can also look for trades in between these two key level when we see gold making a break and close below this support zone with further bearish momentum, expecting gold to be coming all the way down to make a retest on this support level once again, making a breakout of a possible uptrend line over here. But if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4 hour time frame, this thing gets even clearer. So on a 4 hour time frame on the upcoming week, if gold is to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line, it needs to respect this key zone as a support zone. So if gold does come for some pullback over here to make a retest on this key zone, we could either look for an impulse entry over here, setting your stop loss somewhere around here to give it some room for the buffer, and then expecting gold to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line to create new higher high, even making a break out of this key level to retest this key level over here. However, that would be a bit of a risky trade since you're not sure about that movement. So to add more confirmation to look for a trade with much more safer way, we should wait for a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, at least on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame, and then wait for some sort of small time frame structure to be formed, and we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure, which might be formed in a 15 to 30 minutes time frame with further bullish momentum in hopes of gold moving in respect to this uptrend line, creating new higher high to come all the way retest this key level, which you can also see better on this weekly time frame, retesting these highs over here or continue pushing up even higher, creating new higher high. However, if we see gold, instead of doing that, if gold continues to find resistance around here and makes a break and close even below this key zone with further bearish momentum, then it might be an indication of gold making a breakout of any possible uptrend line over here, and might be gold going towards making a retest on this support level once again. And in that case, we can also the same way look for short entries on gold after the break and close below this key zone happens, in hopes of gold coming down to make a retest on this key level over here. So let's wait wait to see which direction gold makes a breakout of. Let's wait for a break and close above this key level, or let's wait for a break and close below this key zone or this key level to look for trades. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description down below, so you can see where all these key zones and trend levels, trend lines and stuff are. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description down below, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.